Today is April 14th, Tuesday, and today I learned that you have more time than you think in your day. And you just need to utilize that time well. Because a lot of times, if I figure out everything I need to do today, and I figure out how long it usually takes to get those things done, then it's usually it wouldn't take as long as I thought it would. And we have like these, 16 hours in a day, roughly? And you have like time to like eat and time to do like other stuff. But if you account for like 16 hours in a day to do everything is a long time. It's a very, very long time. And we're just not utilizing that time wisely, right? We have our 8-hour screen time, or not 8 hours, that's a bit of an exaggeration. We have like our 4-hour screen times, and we are not utilizing our time wisely. And this is such a basic concept. It's just like bad time management. But I just think that you have more time than you think, and you can get things done a lot quicker than you think. And you just need to get it done, like as soon as possible. Just like wake up, eat breakfast, and knock out all of your tasks. Because I think for me, if I like woke up early and just like I could just get everything done before like 1 probably. I'm homeschooled, and I'm thankful for that because it gives me the freedom to structure my day and have the freedom to do things like that. But I just know that like if I just locked in, if I was just focused and had my task list, then things would get done a lot quicker. But because we procrastinate, because we waste time, because we don't want to do these things that aren't even that hard, they're not even like, even if you don't enjoy it, like it's only going to take up an hour of your day out of the 16 that we have, right? And it's like not even that bad. It's like, it's not that bad. Like, I'm a student, so like I've been doing this stuff for 2 semesters. Like, I'm almost finished with school. I've been doing these subjects for 2 semesters, so I'm used to it now, and I know what I need to be doing. But for some reason, I'm still avoiding it. I'm still procrastinating on it because I just don't enjoy it. But like, I'm sorry, but like, who cares? Like, I don't want to be like, oh, no one cares about your problems. Like, just get your stuff done. But for me, that's kind of what I need right now. I'm too, like, it does, honestly, like, yes, try to make your work more enjoyable. Try to make your work more enjoyable and fun, because that will boost your, like, effectiveness and also just make the entire process better. But if you just, like, locked in and were focused, then you wouldn't need that. You could just get it done instead of procrastinating and sleeping in and, like, wasting all this time. Right? So, I don't know, that's what I learned today. You have more time than you think, and these things could get done a lot quicker than you think. So just do them. Like, wake up early, eat breakfast, and knock out all of your tasks, and then, like, as fast as possible, but as good as possible, because it probably won't take as long as you think. If you're actually truly focused, like 0 distractions, locked in, then you can get it done a lot quicker than you think you can. And I know that because it's happened to me before. And then for some reason, I don't continue doing it. I don't know, it's weird. Just because we're humans, we do things we don't want to do, and we don't do things that we want to do. Because I guess just because we're sinful and we prioritize the short term, and we're like selfish in that way. But like, stop. Just get your stuff done as soon as possible, because it'll probably take a lot less time than you think it will. And just get it done and use the rest of your day wisely. Use the rest of your day well to focus on your goals and focus on what's important, right? Or just chill if that's what you want, right? I don't know. I'm just annoyed with myself because I feel like I could get my tasks done every day a lot quicker than I normally do. If I just really just locked in and didn't waste so much time and just locked in, banged them all out in like probably like I could probably get all my school done in like 5-6 hours. And that's like out of the 16, right? Like that sounds like a long time, and it is a relatively long time. But like out of the amount of time you have in your day, like just bang it out and then use the rest of your day so much. Like you can utilize and make the most of each day so much better. I'm just annoyed at myself because I could definitely get all of my stuff done in a lot quicker of a time than how I usually do, and I'm just sharing that because that's what I learned today. Your tasks do not take as long as you think they will if you're truly locked in and focused, so just get it done. Get it done. So yeah, that's what I learned today. If you found this video helpful, then I would love a like or a comment. If you want to see more, then definitely subscribe. I'm posting every single day talking about what I learned that day and how I'm thinking about it, how I'm trying to apply it. So if you want to see that kind of thing, then definitely subscribe. Join the Discord server. The invite link is in the description below. So I'm just trying to build a community of people who are trying to get better at this thing that we call life, trying to make it each day better. So discussion posts there, just trying to build a community. So Discord invite link is in the description. This is the video I posted yesterday. You can subscribe in that corner, and if you subscribe, I will see you in tomorrow's video.